Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Chapter 5 Multiplication. Today we will discuss about the word problems based on multiplication. Let's see first example. There are 125 troop of soldiers in a cantonment. If there are 425 soldiers in each troop, find the total number of soldiers in the cantonment. Means number of soldiers in one troop that is given, that is 425. So we have to find number of soldiers in how many troops? 125 troops. So when the number of soldiers in one troop is given and we have to find it for more, then we have to multiply. So we multiply 425 by 125, then we get 53,125 soldiers in 125 troops. Next is a basket contains 239 mangoes. Find the total number of mangoes in 305 basket. Means number of mangoes in one basket is given, that is 239. Now we have to find the number of mangoes in 305 baskets. Again number of mangoes in one basket is given and we have to find it for more. So we have to multiply. So multiply 239 by 305. So we get 72,895. Next example, 53 passengers can sit in a bus. How many passengers will sit in 426 buses? So number of passengers means jatri. Number of passengers in one bus is given, that is 53. So therefore number of passengers in 426 buses is equal to 53 into 426. So we get 22,578 passengers. Next is how much money was collected by 200 students in a school for drought relief fund if each student collected rupees 412. Drought relief fund means, drought means सूखा पड़ना. Okay. So money collected by one student, that is rupees 412. So there are 200 students in a school. So therefore money collected by 200 student is equal to, now to find it, this money we multiply 412 by 200. So it is equal to rupees 82,400. Next is the price of a book is rupees 48. Find the price of such 485 books. Now price means cost of one book is given, that is rupees 48. Now we have to find the cost of 485 books. So that we can find by multiplying 48 by 485. So we get as rupees 23,280. Next example is a shopkeeper has 768 tins of ghee in stock. If each tin contains 18 kg ghee, find the total weight of ghee in stock. So quantity means कितना घी है. So quantity of ghee in one tin is given, that is 18 kg. Now we have to find the quantity of ghee in how many tins? 768 tins. So to find that we have to multiply 768 by 18. After multiplication we get 13 kg, 13,824 kg. By kg because weight we are measuring with the help of unit kg. Next example is a weaving machine makes 1148 meter cloth in a day. How much cloth will it make in 48 days? Weaving machine means बुनाई करना मशीन के थ्रू. A weaving machine makes cloth in one day, that is 1148 meter. So therefore a weaving machine makes cloth in how many days? 48 days. To find it we have to multiply 1148 by 48. So that we get after multiplication 55,104 meter. Next example is the water capacity of tank is 1325 liters. find the total capacity of 74 such tanks. Now, capacity of water in one tank is given, that is 1325 liters. Therefore, capacity of water in how many tanks? 74 tanks. That we get after multiplication, 98,050 liters. Next example is, in a village there are 265 farmers. Each farmer has 329 sheep. How many sheep are there in all? Means number of sheep one farmer has, that we know, that is 329 sheep. Now we have to find number of sheep that 265 farmers has, that is 329 into 265. After multiplication we get product as 87,185 sheep. Next example is, Rakesh reads 12 pages of a book in 1 hour. How many pages are there in the book if he reads 4 hours in a day and finishes the book in 24 days? Means total pages read in 1 hour. Okay, that is 12. Means एक घंटे में कितने पेजेस पढ़ेंगे? 12. So total pages in 4 hours in a day. एक दिन में 4 घंटे में कितने पेजेस पढ़े? That we can find 12 into 4, that is 48 pages. Now we have to find the total number of pages read in 24 days. So in one day how many pages he has read? That is 48. So multiply 48 by 24. So we get 1152 pages. Next example is, a bus can carry 52 passengers in one trip. How many passengers will it carry in the month of July if it makes 5 trips in a day? So number of passengers in one trip, okay, that is 52. Number of passengers in 5 trips. One trip में पता है हमें कितने गए? 52 passengers. So 5 में कितने होंगे? 52 into 5. Okay, 5 trips के आगे. Now number of passengers in the month of July. Now number 5 trips that we have find 52 into 5. Now 5 trips means in a one day. So July month has how many days? 31 days. So we have to find the number of trips in 31 days. So we have to multiply 15 into 5 and number of days of July, that is 31. So after multiplication all these we get 8060 passengers have gone for trip in the month of July. Next is, the monthly fee of a student is rupees 530. There are 142 students in a class including all sections. How much fee is collected from that class? Now monthly fee of one student, that is rupees 530. So monthly fee of total students, that is 142 students, that we can find after multiplication. So multiply 530 by 142, then we get rupees 75,260. Next is, a toy shopkeeper bought 136 boxes of teddy bears and 225 boxes of toy cars. Each box contains 36 toys. How many toys did the shopkeeper buy? Now number of teddy bear in one box, that is given, that is 36. Now we have to find the number of teddy bears in how many boxes? 130 boxes. So after multiplication we get 130 into 36, that is 4680. Now we have to find the number of toy cars in one box, that is given 36. Now we have to find number of toy cars in 225 boxes, that we get after multiplication. So multiply 225 into 36, we get 8100. Now we have to find total bought toys. Means total bought toys includes teddy bears and toy cars. So we have to add these two. So we will add 4680 teddy bears plus 8100 toy cars. So we get total what toys are 12780. Next example is fill in the blanks. Now here multiplication, we have to do the multiplication. Now here multiplied are given, multipliers are missing. Now then terms, some digits are missing, that we have to find. Okay, so after multiplication we have to find that numbers that are missing, and then that digits we have to fill in the boxes. So this is all about the word problems. Okay children, take care.